product which we have from Ustra, which will help us after all our rain rides. It says that it will remove all the bacteria that has formed after all our continuous rides, and it will remove the odor, and it has a nice smell to it. Yeah, it does. So let's check how it performs. Using this helmet spray is actually very easy. You just pop the head and spray it inside from about 6 centimeters. Spray it thoroughly. Wait for some minute. And then wipe it with a nice clean cloth. Impressive. And we are done. It's that easy. And our helmet is clean, smells good, and it is bacteria free too.
So, what do we conclude? If you live in a hustle and do not have time for setbacks, this is gonna save you. At just rupees 180, you get 100 ml of the product and about 3 sprays which will save you in emergency situations. And it's bacteriostatic. So it will prevent bacteria formation, which clearly means there will be no harm to your hair. The citrus-like smell will keep your helmet fresh. It has a small form factor, so you can keep it in your bag and carry along wherever you go. I think it's a great deal, guys. Go for it.